So we will discuss different diseases based on their chromosome number. First disease is renal cell carcinoma. To know about renal cell carcinoma, we should be knowing most common type is clear cell carcinoma. In elderly, mainly it is associated with smoking. In young patient, it is associated with a defect in VHL gene. So if we count this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. VHL is von Hippel-Linde gene. So defective chromosome in this case is chromosome 3. Defective chromosome, the disease occurred due to defect in chromosome 3. Next disease is familial adenomatous polyposis. Familial adenomatous polyposis. In this case, in this disease, the patient is suffering from more than 100 small polyp. More than 100 small polyp, and these polyp are 100% pre-malignant. Pre-malignant. So if I count this polyp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chromosome number in this condition is 5. Third disease which we are discussing is polycystic kidney disease. Polycystic kidney disease. There are two types. One is called ARPCKD, autosomal recessive type. Another is autosomal dominant type. So these babies, this is seen in children or in infant. It is also called as infant type. Infant type polycystic kidney disease. So in general, this is also called as adult type. Adult type. If you count this infant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can count this ARPCKD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Defect is at chromosome 6. These babies, they die in less than 1 year. When it comes to ADPCKD, in general polycystic kidney disease, we call this polycystic kidney disease. So you can count this again 1, 2, 3, 4. Chromosome number that is defective. Chromosome number here is 4. There is one more chromosome in polycystic kidney disease. So you need to count these. Polycystic kidney 10. Polycystic, it will be 10. Kidney 6. 10 plus 6, 16. Another chromosome 16. Polycystic kidney disease, adult type, chromosome 16 and 4. Infant type, chromosome 6. Moving on to next disease, which I am writing here. It is Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor, also known as nephroblastoma. So for an instant, for this I am changing spelling of tumor. So if you count this, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chromosome number in nephroblastoma or Wilms tumor is 11. Next disease we will discuss is Wilson disease. Wilson disease. Wilson disease. Again, I need to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wilson disease, chromosome number 13. Neurofibromatosis type 1. Neurofibromatosis type 1. So I am writing this NF1. Neurofibromatosis type 1. If I count this all, it will be 17. Chromosome number 17 in case of type 1. Similarly, NF2, neurofibromatosis type 2. For this, you need to see neurofibromatosis. It is 17 till now. TYPE type 18, 19, 20, 21 and 2. It means it will be type 2. So these total will be 22. Chromosome 22. Chromosome 22. Next disease we are discussing is Angelman syndrome. Angelman syndrome. Let's count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it is getting 16. So I'm omitting this E out. Angelman syndrome will be a defect at chromosome 15. Defect at chromosome 15. Cri-du-Chat syndrome. Cri-du-Chat syndrome. Let me highlight this word cri-du. Cri-du. Again in cri-du. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So defect will be at chromosome 5. It will be at chromosome 5. Next condition I'm writing here is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis, you already know this disease. Chloride channel defect, CFTR gene mutation. The babies are also called as salty babies. Let me count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count this once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is coming 6 and this is coming 8. So we need to set a midpoint. Midpoint means it will be 7. Defect occur at chromosome 7. In cystic fibrosis, remember, the disease occur as a defect in chromosome 7. Next disease we are discussing, that is Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Let me count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Disease occur at chromosome 17. Disease occur at chromosome 17. Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome. You know this Marfan syndrome, fibrillin gene mutation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 coming. 14. So let me change this Marfan syndrome. Now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chromosome number is 15. Chromosome number is 15. One more disease. Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease. Let me count this Tay-Sachs once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chromosome number is 15. Chromosome number is 15. So these are some of the chromosomes and the disease. For a quick review, let us see. Let's go back. Renal cell carcinoma, defect at chromosome 3. Von Hippel-Linde gene. Familial Adenomatous Polyposis, more than 100 polyp, chromosome 5. Polycystic kidney disease, adult type, 16 and 4. Infant type or recessive type, chromosome 6. Wilms tumor, chromosome 11. Wilson disease, 13. NF1 is at 17. NF2, 22. Angelman syndrome, 15. There is one more, Prader-Willi. Both Angelman and Prader-Willi, these are due to defect in genomic imprinting. Chat chromosome 5. Cystic Fibrosis, chromosome 7. Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease, 17. Marfan syndrome, 15. Tay-Sachs disease, again 15. So this is a short way, an easy way to remember chromosome. Thank you. See you in next video.